welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am excited. Yes, I have another collaboration, you guys. I'm collaborating with everybody. I'm so excited to be doing this collaboration because not only is it a collaboration, but it's also a Fashionphile unboxing, you guys. So if you want to see what I got and who I'm collaborating with, stick around. Okay. So I am collaborating with Dawn Loves Couture. Now let me go into a little backstory before we do this unboxing. Dawn is totally obsessed with me, you guys. It's almost to the Autumn Beckman level. Maybe not quite that bad, but you guys, if I even mention something, she's like, oh, I want that too. And I'm like, I'm thinking about getting something, blah, blah, blah. Oh, I was thinking about that too. And I'm like, you can't always be thinking about everything that I'm thinking about. I think she wants to be like me, you guys. So we're collaborating. And I do want you guys to subscribe to her because she is my friend. But just be forewarned that she comes across as very obsessed, okay? And she's trying to put the ball in the other court, so to speak, and say that I'm obsessed with her. But you guys all know that most of my friends are obsessed with me, so so just humor her, okay? Just humor her. Okay, so Dawn and I were also obsessed with Chanel, okay? And I purchased all of my Chanel bags myself. I told you year before last I wanted to grow my Chanel collection. I have a very lovely Chanel collection. So I've also been wanting vintage Chanel. And this particular bag that's in this box, you guys, is something that I've looked at and wanted for a long time from this collection. So I came across this. I haven't looked at it, but I'm super excited to see it. I hope this unboxing goes well because sometimes my real unboxings do not go well, but I hope that it does. So anyway, you guys, after you watch my video, do go over to my obsessed friend Dawn Loves Couture's channel and watch her and also subscribe to her, okay? Because I would really appreciate that. I love to help thrust newer YouTubers up over that 1,000 subscriber mark because that's a huge milestone. So I would appreciate that so much, you guys. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and do an unboxing and I'll tell you more about this bag and yeah, whatever else I can think of. Okay, guys, and also excuse my appearance. This is my just got out of bed and had a cup of coffee look, okay? So I just threw on some shorts and this top. I haven't even combed my hair. I couldn't, you guys. I was too excited because I've got to tear into this box right now. I have not done a Fashionphile unboxing in quite a long time. So I went ahead and cut the tape open. So here it is, Fashionphile. Now, I'm not the biggest Fashionphile fan. I do look, and you can still find deals, and I feel like I found a deal here. But you guys, they'll also rip you a new one. I'm telling you. You got to know exactly what you're looking for and the retail price, and you got to do your research before going on Fashionphile because you can get ripped off on there. Now I got this bracelet on Fashionphile. That was my last one. It's the Cartier, the Trinity, and I got it at $200 or $300 cheaper. It's still current on the website, so I did get a good deal on that. So with Fashionphile, just do your homework and know what it is you're looking for and what you want to pay for it. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what we got here. Oh, I didn't open the box all the way. Okay. All right, you guys. So, of course, we've got the paperwork. We've got the file. And we've got, oh yes, the confetti. So exciting. Okay, so what I got was, well, let me not tell you yet. Okay, let me show you. So, of course, used is the new. The new. Let's get some of this confetti out of the way. Okay, here it is. Let's pop this open. See what I got. It's in a Fashionphile dust bag. A drawstring, which I've never gotten one like this. Here it is. Let's untie it. And I got something Chanel. And what's wrong with it? Oh, this box is messed up, but I don't really care because I don't need it. So anyway, okay, let's take the top off. Here we go. Oh. Oh, honey. Oh, honey. Here we go. You guys have no idea. I have lusted after a bag like this for years, since the very first time Keith ever took me to New York City and I bought a fake one. Now, this one was listed in very good condition, and normally I only buy excellent or new, but at this price, you guys, I had to pull the trigger, okay? Oh my gosh. So this is the Chanel calfskin quilted medium cambone tote in black and white. And it's a beauty. So I'm going to inspect this. And I knew that this part, I mean, it doesn't look bad at all. There's a little crinkling, and I knew that, but it looks really good. It's got that back pocket. It's got feet. There's no corner wear. No. The only issues that I see so far is what was listed in the listing. It's got some crinkling kind of on the white CCs, but you guys, what I'm planning to do is I am going to carry this bag for a few days just because I want to, and I am going to send it to the leather surgeons because I want it to be pristine, okay? And it pretty much is. Like, I don't have to do it, but I really want to. Like, all the black on it looks absolutely spectacular. I see a kind of a little scuff here. But you guys, this bag is in very, very good condition. Not excellent, but very good. But I do want to spruce these up a little. So yeah, I'm going to carry it a few days. And then I'm going to send it to the leather surgeons. And that's going to be a first experience for me because I've never done that before. And I'm excited. I'm excited to do it. But, oh, I love this. I love this bag. And I wanted the medium because it's not a big tote. This is a bit different for me, this style tote. I love it. So the more I look at it, you guys, I had the camera off and I was just really inspecting it. It's in such good condition. But yes, the C's, I think, look a little bit worn. And I mean, it really doesn't bother me, but I do want to send it to spa because I've wanted one of these bags for so long. And look at the interior. The interior is very clean. I just see a little bit of something in there. But I love the hot pink interior. It's so pretty. It's so, so pretty. So and also there's a few little dirty spots, but I don't care. I don't care because for what I paid for this bag, you guys, I paid $1,350 for this. So I'm going to look at it and inspect it even further and take the tag off because, yes, she's staying here. Okay, my chair just, okay. Almost had an accident there. But yes, she's staying with me. Here's the certificate of authenticity. And remember, you guys, if you do order from Fashionphile and you're new, do not cut off this tag until you're absolutely 100% sure that you want to keep it. Now, I would say the outside of it is more pristine than the inside. There's some staining or whatever. I don't know. Maybe it's just dirt. I'll just take a cloth, a soft cloth, and try to wash that myself, but it's not even very noticeable. And you guys, I'm more of a, I like to get new handbags, but I've been wanting this style and just a few vintage bags, and I love to wear just black and white, and I think this would go with my wardrobe. So we'll do a little ABS spin on her. And Dawn, if you're gonna be so obsessed with me, you really do need to work on your ABS, because I am the queen of Autumn Beckman spins, and I'm pretty sure I invented the Autumn Beckman spin. Now Winnie says that she did. I'm not 100%, but I kind of think I did, even though she's probably gonna say that she did. Okay, so anyway, Dawn, see how flowy? See how I just flow it around like that? No effort, it's just effortless, okay? See? Okay. And this is a very soft bag. This is a great everyday bag. I'm so happy with it. I'm so happy. Yes, I am. I'm so happy. Yes, you just need a little bath. That's all you need. I'm gonna carry it a few days, like I said. I'm gonna tell you how I feel about it, and we're gonna send her off to spa, and we'll do another video on her when she comes back. And I'm super excited to actually send her to spa, because if she looks this good now, wow, you guys. She knocks my socks off right now looking at her, and I just love the size of it. I really love the size of it. Okay. Now, you guys, do me a favor, go on over to my totally obsessed friend, Dawn Loves Couture. Watch her video. Humor her, you guys. If she says that she's, you know, I'm obsessed with her, go ahead, humor her. I mean, we all know the truth, okay? We all know. And subscribe. And thank you so much for spending time with me today. If you're not subscribed to me, I would so appreciate it if you joined my little fan jam over here, because we're always getting into something over here, okay? I've got a collaboration coming up on Thursday with Maria Loves Luxuries. And we've collabed in the past, but it's been a while, so I'm overdue. I'm just doing collaborations all over the place, you guys. Yes, I love it. I love to work with my fellow YouTubers and friends. And I love you guys all so much. And yeah, so thank you so much. Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys on another day in another video. Mwah. Peace.